Hello everyone, I'm here in the garden and I'm here trying to clean up the ugly side of our garden, which is our storage room and workspace. This is probably one of my weakest characteristics, is keeping things organized. As you can see, when I'm in a rush, I just sort of throw things around, leave them there. There's not enough storage space here. So hopefully I can show you what it's like to transform this little area, put it into shape. Because right now it's just a huge mess. Sometimes I get stressed out that I can't find some things. Let's tidy up. This is a leftover paint bucket from when I sealed the roof. It's one of those oddly satisfying things that some people like. Capture it. This almost as good as new. Spain. It's a overcast day, a bit of light rain. Everything's a bit of a mess here. I'm just trying to catch up on my errands. Get this storage space organized so it's a bit more comfortable to work in, throw away things. So that's what I'm doing today. A bit of a hodgepodge of odd jobs that I've got going on here. And I don't know if it's of much interest to people, but it's gonna be that kind of video. Just an assortment of random things that I've done lately on the cottage house and the garden. The last time I was working on this, I got all my pots organized. They're in one corner. Let's see if I can attack the top part of it. So normally at this point I would mix these seeds with my flour mix for the hens, but I think I've learned recently that these kind of whole seeds are not the best for chickens unless they've been soaked in water. So I'm not gonna mix them today, and I'm gonna start a soaking process to make the most of these seeds. I probably won't be buying these seeds again. I'll just buy all flour for now on, crushed hen flour. Things in here are moving along quite nicely. I've only got a couple more shelves to reorganize. This one's unstable, so I'm gonna give it some new supports. And I'm gonna empty this one out as well and tighten down the loose screws and throw away any junk that's on there. And then I should have a decent space to work in here, do some of the project, and keep up with the maintenance here at the cottage house with a decent work area. So now I'm just gonna do some quick and dirty carpentry on this shelf and put a diagonal brace on this shelf that I salvaged from going to landfill, and hopefully that will give this a bit more strength.